little friends. Welcome to the Xekids.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Xekids. In today's video, we will teach you how to make sunflower sketch. First we will make sunflower petals. Then we will make a big circle once. Now we will make an eye. You can see that's how awesome the sketch is going. And finally, his nose. And here are his lips. And it's done. Ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.